Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it. So what's up guys? We are back again for another DIY. And this kind of DIY, it's kind of different because I'll be building already made shelves. I just bought it from the store. So it'll be, it's just a small storage I'll be showing you. I don't know if you can read it, but I have a video already about this. So let's build it now.
A few moments later.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
you for watching, guys. That is my a mini DIY video about my small shelves beside my table. Check out my DIY gaming table. It's already posted on my channel. You can watch it back, play it back if you want to. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.